Yo, tech tinkerers and Windows warriors, ready to level up to Windows 11 for free? It's Area 72, your high-octane hub for OS upgrades, sneaky hacks, and system-saving tips that keep your rig cutting edge without breaking the bank. Today, we're diving into PC Mag's 2025 guide, 3 free ways to upgrade to Windows 11, plus a clutch workaround for PCs that don't meet Microsoft's strict hardware rules. With Windows 10 support ending October 14, 2025, time's ticking to snag Copilot AI, enhanced security, and that sleek new look. If this guide has you ditching your old OS, smash that like button, slam subscribe, and crank those notifications. We're dropping these tech-heavy breakdowns to supercharge your digital feed and stack those watch hours. Let's unpack the paths, spotlight the hacks, and sling a prediction that'll spark debates. Comment now, upgrading or sticking with 10? Let's boot up, full throttle, flash to the upgrade frenzy. With Windows 10's end of support looming, PC Mag drops the ultimate guide to get Windows 11 free, tested on October 13, 2025, to dodge the $200 license fee or new PC costs. Why upgrade? Windows 11 brings Copilot AI, live captions, image generation, snap layouts, better gaming, auto HDR, and security patches post 10's cutoff. X is buzzing, hashtag Windows 11 upgrade trends with 500k plus views, users memeing, TPM 2.0 gatekeepers versus my 2015 laptop. Fun fact, 70% of PCs still run Windows 10, but 20% don't meet 11's TPM 2.0, secure boot, or 4GB RAM/1 GHz dual-core CPU minimums. Like if you're upgrading, comment your PC's age, the 3 free upgrade paths unpacked, Windows Update, compatible PC's easiest route, check settings Windows Update on Windows 10, version 2004+. If your PC has TPM 2.0, secure boot, 4GB RAM, 64GB storage, and a supported CPU, Intel 8th Gen Plus, AMD Ryzen 2000 Plus, it'll offer the free upgrade. Takes 30 to 60 minutes, keeps files/apps. Pro, seamless. Con, strict hardware gate, Microsoft Installation Assistant, download from Microsoft's Windows 11 page, run the tool, select Upgrade this PC. Same requirements as above, but great for manual control. Keeps data, needs 10GB free space. Pro, reliable. Con, no bypass for old CPUs, clean install via USB, download Windows 11 ISO, create a bootable USB with Rufus, 8GB+. Backup data, boot from USB, install fresh. Needs compatible hardware. Pro, fresh start. Con, wipes everything, backup first, hack for incompatible PCs, got an old rig? Use the USB install but tweak the ISO, edit registry during setup, Shift plus F10, type regedit, set bypass TPM check and bypass secure boot check to 1. Or use Rufus to auto skip checks. Installs 11 but risks no updates post 2025. Pro, saves your PC. Con, security patch limbo. PC Mag tip, tested, works on 2015 Dell with Core i5. Broader beats? Microsoft's pushing 11 for AI and gaming, but 20% of users face hardware blocks. Workaround risks? No patches could mean malware exposure. Prediction, by 2026, 50% of Windows 10 users upgrade free, 10% use hacks, 5M new PCs sold. Upside? Modern OS vibes. Downside? Hack instability. Twist? Microsoft extends 10 support 6 months, 1M delay upgrades. That's your Windows 11 upgrade playbook. If this saved your system, like, subscribe, bell on, next tech hack. Comment your upgrade plan, share the tip. Thanks for questing with Area 72, stay updated, stay unstoppable. #SETHJTV